All right, so if you've never done siding of any sort, I'm gonna tell you, it's not rocket surgery. It's one of the simplest things out there. There's a lot of tricks to really make it look a little bit better and give it that kind of professional look. But if you're considering doing this at your house and you're just a little scared, I'm gonna tell you, it's nothing to be scared of. You don't really need a whole lot of tools. You need something to scribe with, pencil. You need something to measure with, a tape measure. You need something to snap a line with, chalk line. You need a level, not the torpedo, I just put it here as a reference for you. A 4-foot level is usually what you'll like. You're gonna need a speed square, and this is one of the few times that I ever use anything bigger than just your standard 7-inch speed square. So this is a 1 foot, which makes it really nice for scribing across the full board so you don't have to move your 7-inch. You need something to cut with. A fastback is really good, but then you're gonna need some snips of some sort. These scissor snips are really good like this. And then lastly, you're gonna need a hammer for hand nailing everything, okay? That's the basic essentials that you're ever gonna need to do any siding job. Now, if you're looking for like a pro upgrade so that you can get things done a little bit quicker, or maybe you're wanting to start this as a side business, really the only other things that you're gonna need, an angle grinder is really nice, and this is just your typical tile blade. This thing will last 4 or 5 houses if all you're using on it is for siding. It's super quick for making cuts. It's way quicker than the shears. I will tell you that I would recommend wearing a mask, even though I don't. It does throw lots of bits of plastic everywhere. And then lastly, we use this coil nailer, the M18 fuel coil nailer from Milwaukee. They make this awesome little siding tip right here. And if you own this nailer, a lot of people don't know it, but it actually comes with it. And it's just stuck right here on the side. You pull it out, and it's got a magnet in it, and it just holds it right there on the front. That's gonna speed your job up about 1,000-fold. But so we're gonna show you a couple things that we do when it comes to siding. We're at kind of some of the trickier cuts and stuff like that right now. But as far as tools are concerned, this is all that you would ever need to do siding. Now, if you're going up higher, obviously you may need some scaffolding. If you're doing something other than vinyl, obviously there's other tools involved, but we're doing vinyl today. And I just want to tell you that if you're just like nervous about doing it, you've got that bid from a local contractor, but if you're even a little bit handy, this is a job that you can absolutely do. Okay, so we'll show you a couple things that we like to do and how we finish out this house. We're on the last 2 fronts of these, and if you like it, like and subscribe.